Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change into personal account in your Instagram. Launch your Instagram app and in the bottom right corner, there's your account. Tap on that and you will reach to your Instagram profile, and on the top right corner, there's a three-line icon. Tap on that and select the settings and privacy, which is on the top, and scroll a bit down, and here we could see for professional there's creator tools and controls. Select that, and right over here below the monetization status there's switch account type. Select that, and on the bottom here we could see we have two options, but tap on the switch to personal account in order to switch to your personal account. So tap on the red option, and now it's loading. It will take a few minutes. And here we can see we just switched to personal account. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.